Welcome to Tech. In this video I will tell you that how to change Vivo Phone wallpaper. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel for tech related news. So let's get started. First of all, long press home screen. Here you can see wallpaper option. Simply click it and here you can see a lot of wallpapers. Click on three dots. So here you can see two options, static wallpaper and second one is live wallpaper. So you can select according to your choice. I want to select static, this orange one. So here you can see further setting, set to lock screen, set to desktop or set as both. I want set as both. So you can see my wallpaper is changed. So in this way you can change wallpaper of your Vivo phone. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.